Ever wondered how Xero's pricing works? Do you pay per user? Or is there some other magic formula? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a crucial one for any business considering using Xero. Getting your accounting software pricing right is essential for budgeting and making sure you're not paying for features you don't need. So, in this video, we're going to dive deep into Xero's pricing structure and answer that burning question. Do you pay per user in Xero? Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Xero is for those who might be new to it. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a wide range of features, from invoicing and bank reconciliation to inventory management and financial reporting. It's all accessible online, meaning you can manage your finances from anywhere with an internet connection. This accessibility is a huge plus for many business owners. Now, back to the question at hand. Do you pay per user in Xero? The short answer is, no, you don't directly pay per user in Xero. Xero's pricing structure is based on subscription plans, not the number of users. This is a key difference compared to some other accounting software platforms. Instead of charging you for each individual who accesses the system, Xero charges you a fixed monthly fee for a specific plan. These plans come with different feature sets and limitations, which we'll explore in a moment. So, if you're not paying per user, how does Xero's pricing actually work? They offer different subscription plans tailored to various business needs. These plans typically vary based on the number of transactions you can process, the features you have access to, and sometimes the level of support you receive. Let's break down some common Xero plans. While the specifics can change, the general structure usually includes tiers like early, growing, and established. These names might vary slightly depending on your region, but the principle remains the same. The early plan is often the most basic. It's usually designed for very small businesses or sole traders with limited transactions. This plan might have restrictions on the number of invoices you can send or the number of bank reconciliations you can perform each month. It's a good starting point for businesses just getting started. But as you grow, you'll likely need to upgrade. The growing plan is the next step up. This plan typically removes some of the limitations of the early plan and offers more features. You might have a higher transaction limit, access to more reports, or additional tools for managing your business finances. This plan is often suitable for small to medium-sized businesses that are experiencing growth and require more robust accounting functionality. The established plan or similar top-tier offering is usually the most comprehensive. It's designed for larger businesses with more complex needs. This plan typically includes all the features Xero offers, often with no or very high limits on transactions. You might also get access to premium support or dedicated account management. Now, what does this mean for you in terms of users? Even though you don't pay per user, you can still add multiple users to your Xero account. This is a crucial point. You can grant different levels of access to different users, depending on their role in your business. For example, you might give your accountant full access to all features, while your sales team might only have access to create invoices. This user management feature is incredibly valuable for maintaining control over your financial data and ensuring that everyone has the access they need to do their job. So, you're paying for the plan, not the individual users. This means you can have multiple people using the system concurrently without incurring extra costs, as long as you're within the limits of your chosen plan. This is a significant advantage, especially for growing businesses where multiple team members need access to financial information. Think about the implications of this. Imagine you have a small team, and everyone needs access to different aspects of your accounting data. With a per-user pricing model, the costs could quickly escalate. But with Xero's plan-based pricing, you can add multiple users without worrying about additional fees. This makes it much more cost-effective and scalable for businesses of all sizes. Now, let's talk about how to choose the right Xero plan for your business. The best plan for you will depend on several factors, including the size of your business, the number of transactions you process each month, the features you need, and your budget. Start by considering your current needs and then think about your future growth. It's always better to choose a plan that can accommodate your future needs, so you don't have to switch plans too frequently. Xero's website usually has a detailed comparison of the different plans, outlining the features and limitations of each. Take some time to review this information carefully. You might also want to take advantage of any free trials or demos that Xero offers. This will give you a chance to explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business. Another important factor to consider is the level of support you might need. Xero typically offers different levels of support depending on the plan you choose. If you're new to accounting software or if you anticipate needing a lot of help, you might want to consider a plan that includes more comprehensive support options. Finally, don't hesitate to contact Xero's sales or support team directly. They can answer your questions and help you choose the best plan for your business. They're a valuable resource, so don't be afraid to reach out to them. So, to reiterate, the answer to our initial question is a resounding no. You do not pay per user in Xero. You pay for a subscription plan, which allows you to have multiple users with varying levels of access. This makes Xero a flexible and cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. It's a key differentiator and one of the reasons why many businesses choose Xero over other accounting software options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.